Hey guys, Total Reviews back at you with another video. For today's video, we will be reviewing these Gearbest $40 Airpods Pro clones. Link to buy them will be down in the description below with my coupon code so you can save the most amount of money when buying these. I will also be giving away a pair of these clones. All you have to do is subscribe. I will be checking guys if you win. Like the video and comment anything that you want. With all that said, let's get started with the review. Alright guys, so let's get started by looking at this thing. Just a quick notice, this won't have any logos, any Apple logos. It's pretty obvious it's a big company, Gearbest. I don't want to get in trouble by Apple. So just a reminder for you guys, so you know. I don't quite mind it myself, but yeah, I just wanted to tell you guys. So I'm not gonna try to focus so much about the packaging in this video because I noticed that people want to see more of the actual clones because we don't use the packaging. It's only when you first open it. So I'm gonna put as little time as possible on the packaging, if that makes sense. And tell me guys what you think in comments down below. So we first see the normal instructions as we do in every clone. Nothing really important, and I'm gonna put that to the side since it's pretty easy to use them. So here we have the Airpods Pro clones case. With the wrapping, let's take that wrapping off. Great. So let's try if I can get this camera to focus. All right, great. So here we have the back hinge, and it's the correct size. It's bigger. And we also have the light there. And let's try to open it up. All right, it's out of battery charge, guys. I'm gonna get that charged up later, but not really important right now. Yeah, the correct ear tips. And yeah, they sit just fine. Let's try to see exactly. They have, let me see. All right, they have the correct charging port, the right color, and also the correct ear tips. I already mentioned that, and I'm pretty sure that these are stickers, like everything, like every clone we have right now. The speaker connector is the old one, but I don't really mind that because no one will be able to see that as long as you have the correct ear tips, which they do. It's pretty fair for the price, in my opinion, for what you're getting. Yeah. So let's continue on with unboxing the box here. That sounds weird. Here we have the ear tips just coming off as usual. They don't quite sit good in all these clones, I don't know why. But let me see the size of these because they've gotten them wrong before, other companies. Let me try to pick them up so I can differentiate them. Alright, so the rest of the ear tips are correct. It's the correct ear tips, the rest of them, and let me see if they have yeah, they've correct sizing too. So they have a small one, they have a big one. That's very good. I've not seen other clones get that right. So big thumbs up to Gearbest for getting that right, to be honest. I'm really impressed by that. Let's continue on. Alright guys, so we will continue on by looking at the pop-up on these clones. So by opening the lid up, the pop-up comes up very fast. Let's try to connect them. Pressing the back button. And they connect as normal. So they have actually mimicked the exact same operation as the original AirPods, so you get to see the same instructions there, media control, noise control. Uh, it's basically the same thing. Like they've gotten this right 100% now. Now it's basically instructions. All right, guys. So here we see the pop-up here. You see the battery charge. Let's try to open them up and see if they show up again. And they actually do. Moving on, guys, we're gonna see the actual setting space of the Bluetooth. Let's try to change the name here. Do something like, let's write Gearbest maybe. All right, and done. Alright, they've changed the name successfully. That works. Let me see if you can. Alright, you can switch them between each other, but there is no actual transparency mode or noise cancellation. It's pretty expected for the clones. No real clones have the active noise cancellation right now. And the ear tip fit test doesn't seem to work. It's only playing the music, but doesn't really disturb me since there are no clones right now with accurate, real ear tip detection. It only tells you that seal is good, but in reality, it's really not good. It's only a mimic. But yeah, nothing not normal. Alright guys, so in this part of the review I'll be testing the sound quality. Now I know that you guys won't be able to hear this one, but you're gonna have to trust me since there is no other way to show it. So starting off, I feel like the bass is really good. It's like a strong bass. These clones always have strong basses. The clarity is not as good as the original AirPods, but the bass is definitely there. It's probably like on the level with real AirPods, probably even stronger for some reason. So, yeah, bass is really strong. Clarity is decent overall. If the original AirPods were 10 out of 10, I would give these around 6 to 7 out of 10. For the price you're paying, I think that's really good to be honest. Alright guys, so to summarize this review, I'm gonna put this summary into like three parts. First is sound quality. Sound quality, they're basically 7, 6 out of 10, which is really good for the price you're paying compared to original AirPods, so good job there. Build quality was really good. I couldn't see any stickers peeling off or anything. It really held up very good. And the third part is looks. They're basically almost one-to-one in looks, and for the price $40, you really can't get much more than that. Really good job there, Gearbest. Link for this pair is gonna be in the description down below, guys. And if you enjoy more videos like this and want to enter the giveaway, please subscribe, guys. It will help me a lot, so I can publish more videos like these for you guys. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope that you have a great day. Peace.